Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing us how to frame this picture here. Okay, so you're going to do this along with me. This is a frameless frame. Now you can see how good and how beautiful. In fact, this is a perfect gift to give to anyone. Beautiful and perfect. So now I just printed this. So in printing, I use a DI machine to do the printing, and I also used card, just normal card paper. That was what I used to print. Okay, so you can see how sharp this print came out. So I like my DI machine. It gives me that perfect sharp print whenever I need it. Okay, so the next thing, I'm going to go ahead and trim off the parts, the excess parts. You know, this is an A4 paper, but my this frame is actually a small frame, is 8 inches by 10 inches. Okay, so I'm going to trim off the excess parts, and then I'm going to lay it on the board, like resize it on the board. But then you have to design this, the frame, you have to make the design with the exact size that you are going to be using to frame it. Okay, please, while you are enjoying this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, that is the first thing to do. Just hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell. Guys, you need to do this. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you always get a notification. Okay, so there are so many good things coming up, so you need to turn on your notification bell. And also don't forget to like this video. If you find it interesting, please like it, please share the video. Again, if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. So the next thing I'm going to do is to canvas this picture, or laminate. You can call it laminating. So I'm using this Mycode laminating film to do the laminating. Okay, so I don't need a laminating machine to do this. You can also use a laminating machine, just set it to code while doing your laminating, but I'm going to use my hand so that you can see that you can do this 100% without a machine. But then I'm leaving my contact on the screen in case you need any of these materials. I have them for sale, and I can always supply if you need any of them. Okay, so you can see how I cut off that edge. I had to cut it off. That will also help me to do this excellently. Okay, so once you have done this, the next thing is to place it. Please straighten it very well while you are placing it. Just straighten it very well. Make sure all the edges are very straight. Okay, so now I'm going to pull out the inside. Okay, make sure everything is smooth. That is it. And this is beautiful because you see, this is going to give this is like a protection to this picture, and it also gives it that glittering, beautiful, shining effect. You can see, look at this, so beautiful. So in fact, this is nice. I tell you, this is nice. Okay, so the next thing, this is called edge tape. So that is going to be used. See, we have different colors: the black, the gold, the white, so many colors. But with the ones I have here, I'm going to be using brown for my edge. So I'm going to use this edge tape. Then you are going to measure your frame and then cut it to the size. Okay, like I said earlier, if you need any of this material, I have them for sale. In case you don't know how to get them, just call the number on the screen. But if you have any question, please, you don't need to call the number. Just drop the question on the comment section and I'm going to attend to you. But if you need any of the materials, you can call the number or you send me a WhatsApp message. Okay, now so sorry about this. My gum actually spilled out, so I had to use my hand to do this. Normally I put it inside a container and use the container, so you know, trying to avoid waste. So trying to avoid wastage, I had to just use my hand and do this. I hope you understand. Okay, so I'm just trying to avoid waste here. So the major thing is that just gum the wood, and also gum the picture that you printed, so that once this is done, I'm going to stick it on it and it's going to stay. So I'm using Evo stick gum, very, very good one. Those thick Evo stick gum, that is what I'm using here. You can see how sticky this gum is. It is so sticky. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and stick it to this board. Just follow everything I'm doing and you are going to get it perfectly. Okay, now it's time to put in the edge tab. Now the first thing you are going to do is to apply the gum around the wood. Okay, now I'm through. So the next thing, I'm going to put in the hanging screw. Okay, just like the previous video I posted about making frames. So it's the same process. You are going to use a tape and get the full measurement, and then from there you get the middle, because why you are doing this is because you don't want it to bend when you are hanging it. You want to get this fixed exactly on the middle of this frame. Okay, so we fix this, and after this, that is all. We are done. Yes, that is it. We are through. You can see I also did a mock-up for her. Okay, so you can do this as a gift, and whoever you are giving it to will really appreciate. This is a perfect gift for someone you love. Okay, so let's hang it. Wow, this is good and this is beautiful. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.